Disguised as a Tuareg, hiding among the Tuareg in southwest Libya, Saif al Islam Gaddafi captured after 3 months on the run. Asleep on the desert sand, accompanied by only a handful of loyal Libyans, he gave up without a fight. 2 days earlier, revolutionary forces from Zintan were tipped off that someone important was trying to escape to Niger. Only when they caught up with the group at 2 a.m. local time Saturday did they realize who it was.
ترفض انك تسلم المحكمة. المحكمة مش معترف بها. المحكمة مش معترف بها. المحكمة هاي تبي حكمه.
Gaddafi was taken by air back to Zintan, where a huge and noisy crowd surrounded the aircraft. When he emerged, the crowd got close enough to aim punches and kicks at his head before he was driven away quickly into safe custody. Libya's Prime Minister said he had full confidence in the fighters of Zintan to keep Gaddafi's son safe until he could be brought to trial. Libya is a united country, he said. It doesn't matter for the moment that Saif al Islam Gaddafi is in Zintan, not Tripoli. Saif al Islam was last filmed in public in late August. Tripoli was a battleground falling to fighters from the National Transitional Council. He mocked reports then that he'd been captured. Libya's new acting Prime Minister sounded confident that the country had the means to provide Libyan justice for Gaddafi's son.
The legal system based on the new Libya and our vision for it is now active, and we trust their ability to be able to communicate with the international court.
The first images made public showed Saif al Islam holding up 3 bandaged fingers as a guard looks on. It now seems his injury was the result of a NATO airstrike and not a result of his capture. For years under his father's regime, Saif styled himself as a reformer, in this interview with Al Jazeera saying he'd been the main promoter of political change in Libya. But those long-promised reforms never happened. And after the uprising began, he blamed it on a foreign conspiracy. With the rest of Saif's family now either dead or in exile, the chapter of Libya's history called Gaddafi appears to be closing. Anita, McNaught, Al Jazeera, Zintan.